Let's doodle some DIY stamps. For this challenge, we'll need our DIY stamp challenge card, 7 strands of filament, our 3D pen, and some acrylic paint or ink to complete this project. Flip the challenge card over to the stencil side and pick the stamp design you want to doodle. We chose the leaf. Doodle the darkest outline of the leaf, followed by the outer perimeter. After the outline is doodled, take your pen and cover the entire light orange section in filament until you reach the dotted line along the outer perimeter. We used a back and forth pattern to cover the whole area in plastic and then added an additional layer. Once the filament has cooled, pop the doodle off the stencil and flip it over. Retrace the inner leaf outline several times to elevate it from the background. It is the outline that will make contact with the ink and will make the stamp work. To create the handle of your stamp, trace and fill in one of the circles, part B, included at the bottom of the stencil. Doodle the ring handle, going over the circle several times to build it up and make it strong. Then pop it off the stencil, applying some fresh plastic to the back of the stamp you doodled earlier, and securely attach the handle to the back of the stamp. Add more filament as needed to ensure that the handle is tightly secured to the back of the stamp. Holding the handle, dip the stamp into paint or ink. Cover the bottom of the stamp completely and then firmly press it into paper. Repeat this process and apply more ink or paint when needed. Thanks for watching our DIY stamp tutorial. Be sure to share your creation with us and check out our other maker projects on our YouTube channel.